it's Steffi D. Welcome back to Steffi D Creates. I'm so excited. It's March Madness, so that means NCAA basketball is going to be playing. So I wanted to make something that you can enjoy while watching the game. A little bit different than the rest of my videos. We're going to be making some food today, some snacks. We're going to be making these super cute chocolate covered strawberries that look like basketballs. How fun is that? They're really easy to make. You're gonna be so shocked. It'll only take a couple of minutes and they will be so good to enjoy while you're rooting on your favorite team. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com. So come bake with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A pack of strawberries that you've washed and dried, 1 bag of orange candy melts and 1 bag of chocolate candy melts, wax paper, 2 microwavable safe bowls, a cookie sheet, a number 3 tip for frosting decorating, scissors, and a frosting decorating bag, or if you don't have one, a large Ziploc bag will do. The first thing that we're gonna do is put our candy melts into our bowls. Put your orange into one and your chocolate into the other. Depending on how many strawberries you're making will dictate how much of the candy melts you'll need. I generally use about a full bag for an entire pack of strawberries. Now we're gonna melt our candy melts. So take your orange melts and put them in the microwave for 1 minute. Give it a stir, then put it back in the microwave for another minute. Once your orange has come out of the microwave, you're gonna give it a good stir to get rid of any lumps that might occur. Take your cookie sheet and your wax paper and put a nice sheet of wax paper over it. Then we're going to take our strawberries, pull the leaves back a little bit so you have a good grip on them, and dip them into your frosting. Make sure that they get a nice coat all the way around. Shake it to get the excess off and place it on your cookie sheet. Repeat with all of your strawberries. When you're placing them on your cookie sheet, you want to make sure to give enough space in between rows because you're going to be decorating on top and you don't want to squish them. So make sure they're nice and evenly placed out. The bigger strawberries look better with this design, so I try to make sure that I do all of the big ones first. If your frosting starts to cool while you're decorating, pop your bowl back into the microwave for about 20 seconds, give it a good mix, and you should be good to go. When you finish dipping all of your strawberries, your cookie tray should look like this or something similar. It doesn't take long for the orange to cool and harden, so we're gonna set these aside for just a minute while we prepare the chocolate candy melts. And we're going to microwave our chocolate candy melts the same way. 1 minute in the microwave, give it a stir, put it back in the microwave for another minute, and give it a nice stir to get rid of any lumps. Take your decorating bag or your Ziploc bag, it's the same with both. We're gonna cut off a tip at the bottom so that our decorating tip will fit in there. I'll show you how to do it with a Ziploc bag. So take your Ziploc bag and cut off a small corner, not too much, just a little bit. Take your decorating tip and put it inside the bag so the tip just comes out of it. Fill your bag with your chocolate melts. You want to act kind of quickly so that it doesn't cool and we still have time to decorate. Once your chocolate is all in your bag, you're going to squeeze it down towards your tip, getting out any air bubbles. Bring back your strawberries. Give them a touch test to make sure that they've hardened. And I like to do a little test squeeze to know what the flow is going to be like. So just on a corner of your wax paper, give your bag a little test squeeze. You want to be careful not to squeeze your bag too hard or your frosting will come out really fast. So just be very gentle when you squeeze it when you're putting it on your strawberries. If you do your test squeeze and your chocolate's coming out a little bit too liquidy and it's dripping everywhere, just give it a couple minutes to start to harden and you'll have a little bit more control over it. You're gonna do 3 lines of chocolate down your strawberry. 1 on the left with a little bit of curve, 1 down the middle, and 1 on the right with a little bit of curve, just like the lines of a basketball. I like to start my lines from the bottom up, so I'm gonna start at the bottom of my strawberry and do my line up, and then up the middle, and then up the side. And then you're gonna do 1 right across the middle. And the good thing about decorating these is if you miss a spot, you can always go back and touch it up. Your strawberry should look something like that. Pretty cool, huh? Once you finish decorating your strawberries, give them about 5 minutes to set and you're good to go. So you can serve them up right away while you're watching the game or make them a day ahead of time, keep them in the fridge and serve them the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you get to enjoy your new yummy creations. I know I will. As always, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at SteffiDCreates. Full instructions for this project are on my blog, SteffiDCreates.com, and I will have links to all the products that I used in this video in the comments below. Keep sending me pictures of everything that you're making. I love seeing all of your creations, and if you try this one, be sure to let me know. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Oh my god, they're so good. I may not be sharing them with anyone.